Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel.
Continue on Vestry Road for 6 miles.
Sugar's gonna talk. We're out in the woods here. We are finally making it. You didn't see the sign back there. Somewhere that Skylar has been wanting to go for a while. We are about 8 minutes out, but it had the sign back there. I think we're 8 minutes out, but it might be closer. We are almost, as you see, for those that are on our Facebook, we are going to Outlaw Speedway. Finally, the car is going to be here, and you will be riding along with yours truly, A-FLEM, which it seems like that's all y'all have been riding around. Oh, that's a nice house. That's all y'all have been riding with here recently, because with Skylar's new son, except the legend. We already said it in the last video, I haven't ran on dirt before, so we're just going to see what I can do. But we're going to get over here first and see if they can tech the car, see if there's anything we need to do. We've got Kevin, he's holding the camera. Kevin's back. Kevin, let him see. There he is, I don't know if you can see. So if we got to add anything electrical or any kind of work, Kevin's the man to do it. So we will see y'all in a second at the track. Like I said, we've never been here before. So let's go talk to this lady and find out. We'll see y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, we're about to go out for hot laps. Dad made it here, Tanya made it here, Grace and everybody. We're going to go out and see, we're going to see what I can do, I guess. We're going to go out and smack the wall. And,
they don't do no good, I'll get in it.
Dad, if I don't do good, Dad, it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain, but everybody's loaded up. So I'll see y'all on the track.
Get your helmet on.
Race crew? Race crew?
Alright, this is one nervous driver right here. He don't know to get his helmet on or what. He's lost right now.
I'm not nervous. I need some tear off. Oh. Hey, you want to go get me some paper towels? I'll stick them under my leg in the back of the truck. I did that helmet thing on purpose.
I don't think you got your leg room in there.
Hooper, you want to ride with that?
Emma's here to be part of the race crew tonight. You can tell with her headphones and tablet.
I'm going to watch Daddy race on this.
Oh, that's how you're going to watch Daddy race? Getting covered in dirt? Oh, okay, good.
fun. It was weird, but we got some work, so we're gonna talk some things over. All right, y'all, this week on Driver Spotlight, we have a guy from Hurley named Mark Emerson. Y'all are in luck tonight because I'm here with Mark right now. Mark, tell us about your car. What class do you drive?
Got a factory stop.
Factory stock. And this is your primary track here at Outlaw?
Yeah.
You run any other dirt tracks around South Mississippi?
I run Meridian. I run Deep South every now and then. I've been looking at going up to the mag around Jackson and all.
All right, and no asphalt, right?
No.
You're a dirt man for sure. Y'all see this? He's already went out. He got some dirt. I told him we're going to show that. How do you feel about tonight? I saw you went out already.
I feel a little bit better. We've been having some problems this year.
All right, so
We work it through.
you feel like tonight it's got to work. Have you seen where you started already?
Yeah, I started pole first heat.
Oh, so Mark's going to be starting in the pole. We don't have a camera in this car because my equipment's messed up. So y'all stay tuned because we're about to watch Mark in the race. See y'all there. Thank you, Mark. That was Mark. He just did his first win of the night. Hopefully he can pull away second. So good job, Mark. We're going to strap in now for the heat race. I start on the second row inside, I think in third. See y'all in a second. So it's about 8 o'clock and Austin and them are obviously already at the track. I've gotten all of my family, all 3 boys and the wife, to sleep. And so I am headed up to Outlaw Speedway. I've got about a 53-minute drive, but I can't resist. I've got to go watch Austin to see how he does on his first dirt track race, and I'm excited. So I will see y'all when I get to the track, and we'll see how Austin does in the feature race.
Well, guys, I made it to the track about 3 minutes too late. Austin done put it up in the wall.
I ain't put nothing in the wall.
How you feeling there, bud?
Well, adrenaline's worn off.
So dark in here.
It's a pretty hard hit. Bent the frame.
Yep. What else? Tore up some stuff, huh?
Killed my ego.
Let's just say it wasn't the night we wanted. The car is very hurt, and we did not run the feature race. So we got a lot of work to do now on the Legend and the RSX, but we'll regroup and we'll fix it. So y'all have plenty of content now coming on a RSX rebuild. We may have to take the donor car that we showed you guys yesterday in the video before and
then just
use it as a donor.
That dirt car, we're just gonna bang the dirt car.
Yeah, so.
Rebang.
But not the night we wanted, but it's racing. Can't win them all. Third time's the charm for A-FLEM. But we're proud of them anyway for making an effort.
The problem is I had 3 wins. Never go for the fourth one.
Yeah, so should have quit while we're ahead, but does not matter. It's part of racing.
Needed a respray anyway.
Yeah, car needed redone.
And motor mounts.
But anyway, guys, thank you so much. We hate that it turned out the way it did. No feature race and no in-car camera, but once we get the car redone, we reset. And RSX did win a base model, an automatic, so there's hope. And we know that RSX is a great car, so we're not giving up on this one. We'll regroup and try again. So until then, you guys be blessed, stay tuned, and we will see you guys in the next one.